Move the blue pallets to line 3.
Okay, moving them now. Through our meticulous process here at VT, the coarse fibers are separated, resulting in this incredibly soft, bright white wool.
If you enjoyed this, smash that like button and comment wheel below. Next week, we're diving into the mind-blowing secrets of chocolate factories. Hit subscribe.
All right, drivers, bring it in slow. We've got Bay 4 ready for the wool bales.
Look at how consistent the long fibers are. Wow. It's much better than the previous run.
Listen to the sound of the wool vibrating. It's almost ready for the next stage.
How is it doing that?
It's completely seamless. The VT stamp holds true.
We need to increase the detergent feed right here. Got it, I'll adjust the valve.
All right, opening the valve now. Careful with the steam. Ah, yes. The navy looks absolutely stunning. The saturation is perfect on this batch.
Maintaining stable pressure at 3 torr. The ionization level is optimal for the nylon composite.
We receive shipments from Australia, New Zealand, and South Africa. The automated system sorts them by origin.
We're monitoring the pick insertion right here. See the blue light? Now watch as I adjust the tension on the main board.
This machine runs at 1,200 picks per minute. The air jets shoot the weft across faster than the eye can see.
We are running at 25,000 RPM right now. Had a break here, but we fixed it and the yarn is feeding smoothly again.
The calibration is complete. Observe the fiber alignment now. This meets the VT quality standard.
The VT picker handles the raw material with ease.
Before any fabric can ship, it undergoes one final quality audit that is as rigorous as anything in aerospace manufacturing. The finishing department of a massive wool factory is where science becomes magic and rough gauge fabric transitions. The weaving shed of a massive wool factory is the loudest, most violent, and yet most mesmerizing part of the entire